My dear countrymen, I am Roop Narayan Sonkar, author English and Hindi. All of the first, I am giving thanks to Professor Ajay Navria and Professor Dr. Santosh Kumar Sonkar. And also the Professor of English Department, HOD, Sri Rajesh Karankal of the Bombay University, Bombay. I am talking about my collection of stories in English that is titled Poisonous Root. This Poisonous Roots contains 7 stories, and so many stories, 4 to 5 stories are being taught in the Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, MP, Bombay University, Bombay, Bombay University of Mumbai, and Torino University, Torino. And now recently, this collection of stories have been selected in Dr. Bhomi Bhabha State University, Mumbai, Maharashtra. So what is the charm of these stories? I am going to tell you, and you will understand why these stories are being recognized by the professors, intellectuals, readers, critics from the many universities of India and abroad. So you will really understand. So I am going to tell or recite about the theme of these stories. The collection of stories is like a breath of fresh air, which despite the presence of dust particle gives a feeling of being alive. Each story in this collection tells a radical truth and brings forth the ugliness, intolerance, and injustices of the society. No allegations have been made deliberately, they have entered into the undercurrent. I have in human society and a serpent to sear it. My stories are not based on any ism or philosophy. My stories are not based on any ism or philosophy. I have given a true and vivid description of the perverted order, corrupt system, and handicapped democracy. I have given a true and vivid description of the tragedies of the perverted order, corrupt system, and handicapped democracy. They do not amaze us. On the contrary, they dishearten, disappoint, and anger us. Through these stories, I analyze the life of contemporary society. I have broken so-called barriers of creativity. I do not use the lingual structure or mosaic language, but the crude language of that part of the society, which I try to bring out layer by layer. It is not enough that I have discarded the traditional expectations and sided with my time with Dalit, the oppressed, neglected, and the frightened society, the common man, in the true sense of the term. It is this which makes the collection readable. Finally, it can be said that these stories speak about the uprising of the frightened society. जय भारत जय भीम, जय भारत जय भीम, जय भारत जय भीम।